Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For today's video, I'm unboxing iPhone 13 Pro Max 128 gigs. I choose English and you can put which country are you. So quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near the iPhone to sign in, etc. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show option for setting up this iPhone, make sure you're running iOS 11 or later. As Bluetooth, you can also test up this phone manually. So I just set up manually. So I connect to my Wi-Fi. So alright, that's all good now. This is the data and privacy. So just press continue. Continue. So I gotta set up this one later on. For today, the Face ID set up later. So I can create my password now. My password. So I created the password now, and that's it. Apple and data. Choose how you want to transfer up in data to this phone. so I don't bother transferring. Restore from iPhone backup, restore from backup, transfer directly from mobile data from move data from I don't transfer, so I don't need to transfer my data and app from my old phone. So I don't need to transfer my data into my old phone because I'm still using this my old phone. So I just continue, don't transfer app and data. Now sign in your Apple ID to use iCloud, the App Store, other Apple service. So I need to sign in. Okay. Alright, it's ready. Siri will recognize your voice whenever you say hi Siri. So just press continue. Siri, press hold the side button to talk Siri anytime. Okay. So if you wanna talk like Ask Siri, or written here, Ask Siri, press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. So just press it. Alright guys, appearance, select a light or dark appearance and see how iPhone adjusts depending on which one you choose. So I will choose light color, continue, display zoom, standard. It's up to you guys if you wanna choose standard or zoom. Sweep up to get started. Alright guys, so that's already set up. Now I need to put the SIM card because I'm not yet done putting the SIM cards. So you can put your SIM card here. Thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe.